Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Roella Silagan Gadjan. I am 42 years old. I am secondary graduate. I am 153 centimeter in height. I am 49.6 in weight. I am married. I have two daughters aged 18 and 19 years old. I am kind, honest, patient, understanding, and hardworking person. I worked in Hong Kong for 11 years 2013 to 2025. My first employer is Korean family. I worked this family for 1 year and 8 months. I served three adults. My second employer is Korean family. I worked this family for 2 years, finished contract. I served four adults, two teenager age 15 and 20 years old. My third employer is Hong Kong family. I worked this family for 2 years. I serve four members, two adults and two teenagers, age 15 and 17 years old. My fourth employer is Hong Kong family. I work this family for 1 year and 1 month. I serve five members in this family, one grandma, two adults, two children, age 3 and 7 years old. My fifth employer is Hong Kong family. I serve two members in this family, one adults and one elderly disabled. I also care small dog and one bird. My sixth employer is Hong Kong family. I work this family for 1 month and 19 days. I serve four members in this family. My main duties is to clean the house, tidy up the house, iron the clothes, go to supermarket, and also doing laundries. I also can cook. I also cooking. I can cook simple food like fry the vegetable with meat like pork and chicken, steam the fish, fry the shrimp with butter, boil the shrimp. I also can cook steaming the tofu with egg, fry the tofu. I also can cook curry, chicken curry, beef curry, and also I also can cook uh, boiling vegetable like choy sum or fry the choy sum, another recipe, but just a simple one. Ma'am and sir, if you hired me, I promise to do my best and learn more about your family. Thank you and God bless.